Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Wyze Buds Pro. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. We're going to see how they fit. And more importantly, we're going to see how they sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So here are the earbuds in a black and white colorway. We've got some Wyze branding up here on top. And it says Wyze Buds Pro with active noise cancellation and wireless charging. And you got a picture of the earbuds front and center. In the bottom here, you've got some features and specs. It says Alexa built in. And on the side, you've got high fidelity audio, phone-free touch control, and sweat resistant. And on the back here, it says control your sound. Hear only what you want with the powerful active noise cancellation, engineered for an active lifestyle. And we'll check that out and see if that's true. All right, so let's unbox these and see what we get inside. They just slide out like that. Some Wyze branding on the side. Again, Wyze up top right there, front and center. First thing you get, quick start guide. Check that out later. This is the case. You get the earbuds inside. Check that out later. Let's check out the rest of the box here. You've got, let's see here, got extra ear tips. I won't mess with these, but you've got small and large, medium installed from the factory. Then we've got the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And now let's check out the earbuds. Here are the earbuds. Nice and compact, kind of like a flat egg shape. This slim profile is very nice. You should be able to fit these in your pockets, even if you are rocking skinny jeans. It is a matte black. As far as fingerprints, looks to dissipate pretty quickly. Well, you got your little LED indicator light right there. Shows you have some battery life. On the bottom here, you've got your USB-C charging port. A nice black metal hinge there. A nice snap to it. Very nice. Let's compare this with the AirPod Gen 3s to see how as far as the sizing compares to these two. All right, so I've got the Gen 3s. So the Wyze Bud Pros are a little bit longer in width right there. But as far as the width going this way, they seem to be about the same. Yeah, well, let's open this up real quick. Let's get one of these earbuds. And here it is compared to the Gen 3 AirPods. About similar in size. And as far as the stem goes, they are pretty similar in size. Very nice. And while we are messing with the case, let's do a magnet check to see how well the magnets hold these in place. Well, that was not very good. They fell out when one of them fell out, so that did not pass the test, unfortunately. But with the lid closed, you're not going to have any problems with it falling out. But that is something to think about. So let's take these out. That is how they look. They are, instead of a matte black, they are a shiny black. Fingerprints aren't that bad. The bottom here, you've got your charging pins, both sides, and on the inside of the stems, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but they do have your left and right decal. So on the outside here, you can see the touch sensor. I like how that's kind of matte, so you can tell where it is versus the glossy stem here. So let's pair this up with my phone real quick. So make sure you've got Bluetooth on, have the buds nearby, open the lid, and your phone should see it. Once your phone sees it, hit connect, and you are paired, ready to rock and roll. Now, anytime you want to use these, just got to put them in your ear and they'll automatically connect. So while we're here, let's go ahead and try these on, and they fit me very good with the medium ear tips. That's how they look. Got active noise cancellation on, and my fan that I've got going on the side here, I cannot hear it. I cannot hear the HVAC system in the house. Very nice. And let's play some music real quick and see how they sound. Very nice. Very nice bass. It's just the right amount of bass. It's not like on the bass heavy side, but just the right amount, and the voice clarity is super clear. I really like these. I like these. Very nice. I wish you guys could hear this, man, because I really like this. Similar to the AirPods, but with more bass, and that's what the AirPods are lacking to me. The voice clarity on AirPods are very nice, but it just missing a little bit of bass. And these, as far as clarity of the voice, very nice. And it's got the bass that the AirPods do not have, or is missing out on. So I like these. These are nice. Very nice. Yo, I think these are my top right now as far as the earbuds that I've tried out. Yo, I'm liking these. These are nice. All right, guys, let's go over some specs of the Wyze Buds Pro real quick. So these got 3 voice isolating microphones to elevate your voice so that you can be heard nice and clear when you are on the mic. These are wireless charging ready. They've got a transparency mode to amplify the world around you with a simple touch. These got 10mm drivers, so they offer deep bass. So noise cancellation on these earbuds is up to 40 decibels, negative 40 decibels. Battery life on these, 5 hours of playtime with 6.5 hours with charging with the case. The case is wireless charging capable, which is awesome. And these are sweat and water resistant. I do not see an IPX rating. I'll have to check that out. Oh, I didn't even notice that, but you've got some Wyze branding on the case right there. Very nice. So yeah, I'll double check to see if I can find the IPX rating on these, but it says it is sweat resistant. So if you are caught out in the rain when you're out and about, no problems there. Or if you're wearing these out in the gym, no problem there. These are a pickup. I am glad I picked these up. And if you guys are interested in these, I'll put some links down below. You can check them out on Amazon. And again, Amazon links are affiliate links. So if you use links to make a purchase, I will receive a small commission, and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.